Today we will be playing the Battle Cats. Woo! Woo! It's been a while since I played Battle Cats with you guys. Or for all the new people watching, I recorded a Battle Cats video like a couple months ago. Excuse me. Okay, first I'm gonna upgrade some cats. In the next video, or in this video, in the comments, recommend me some games that you guys like playing, and maybe I'll like playing them. That's kind of easy. You know, if I'm quiet, it's just because, you see how loud it is? I can't even think. Actually, I can't believe I forgot to go gambling. Cool. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep going until like, until we like make it to, Brazil, or the closest I can make it before I get tired or, have to go to bed. Or run out of energy. Like, not real life energy, but like, in-game energy. And I hate Cat CPU. Quick question: do you guys also hate it whenever you get Cat CPU? Like you guys probably have like millions of Cat CPUs just piling up because you never use them. Or you're that one weird kid and you actually use Cat CPU. Like, who uses Cat CPU? Like, who even uses Cat CPU? Like, it honestly sucks because like, it's like if you told ChatGPT how to play Battle Cats, and it was just like, okay, cat. I'm just gonna keep speedrunning until I find a roadblock. Speaking of roadblocks, I think in the next video, if you guys want me to, I will be playing Roblox with you guys. So in the comments of this video right now, just send me your Roblox username and I'll add you, and then as soon as I'm online, join me on Roblox so you can join the video. I'll even give you a shout out. Actually, no. Yeah, I have a lot of flags, but I'm probably gonna use those in a later Battle Cats video for like when I can actually like just keep going until like I beat an entire chapter in itself. And yes, I know it has been an entire year since I last played Battle Cats, but you know, as you can see, I've been grinding offline. That's what every Minecraft player says whenever like they have a dirt house and they're like, okay, I'm gonna do some things off camera, and then they come back with 3 stacks of diamonds and a diamond pickaxe, fully maxed out netherite gear and everything, and they're like, so I did some grinding off camera. And you see they don't have any hearts or hunger bar. Yo, the alien's drunk. Yo, who intoxicated that alien? Like, they should get arrested. Whoever intoxicated that alien. Like, the alien's too young to be drinking alcohol or beer or vodka or whatever. Tell me in the comments, is it annoying when I hum the melody of the song that's playing, or now be honest. You know, I need some more money so I can actually put out the person that I'm just wasting my XP on. This one? I know. Speed it up. Oh my god, it's so scary. It's the off-brand Edward Scissorhands. Mom, I want Edward Scissorhands. But we have Edward Scissorhands at home. That's Edward Scissorhands at home. And now the like goal for this video is 50 likes, and I'll do another part, because this is part 2. If you haven't, go watch part 1. Actually, don't watch part 1 because it sucks. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep going until I run out of until I run out of energy, and then yeah. This game is actually good because I don't want to shop like a billionaire. I got the exact amount of energy I have correct. It's weird. Oh my god, all I need is this dude and you're literally dead. Look at this. Look, you're dead. Oh my god, it's Alien Bear. And bye.